Today's setup using a Berkeley swim bait with a 1 ounce sinker, little drop shot setup. We're a Topaz jetty. Should be good. See if we can get Max on there. Max is already on the spot. I don't think he's got any bites yet. He just got there. Let's see. This is the hard part. We gotta walk across the rocks. Just walk with me. Try not to eat shit. A ninja warrior it. Get bit yet? Anything? Caught seaweed already? That's the shit. Oh, there it is. So far we're getting skunked at Topaz. I don't know. I think there's too much surf. Boys getting skunked too. Any bites? No bite. I had to switch my lure to a crocodile. Tried for top water, trying to get some bonita going, or mackerel, or barracuda, or anything. Nothing. Some dudes on the end over there. They got some crazy shit going on. They got one guy fishing like a little freshwater rod. They got dudes fishing boat rods. They got dudes fishing jig sticks. And then you got one dude fishing with a bottle. And none of them are catching fish either. Surf's up. Surf's actually really good right now. We gotta come back tomorrow with some surfboards, some boogie boards or something. Catch some waves. Uh-oh. You got soaked? That's awesome. How many fish you catch?
Seaweed.
That's it?
Yeah.
Any bites?
Yeah, like one.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. Like one.
You didn't get a bite.
Yeah, I did. It was one.
It was one. One piece of seaweed. One rock bite.
One piece of
It's a Chinese rockfish. Went all the way to the other end of the planet. So tomorrow we got to come back and catch waves. That's the coolest part about fishing. Even if you don't catch fish, you still had a good time at the beach, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch the surf.